The Chicago.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Right, people. I'm out here about to wet sand this down, block off some areas, spot putty, try to finish off this body work. Trying to get y'all a view. Try to block off some of this, wet sand it. Let me get to it. YouTube, still got some sanding to do. About to fix this little spot on the back. But I'm about to go out here and clean up these running boards, paint them back black. Probably all my little black pieces. I'm gonna sand this side. Got my finish off my top and finish off the back. Finish the back. Cut y'all back on. Alright, YouTube. Put my first coat on. Nice and black. It's still been wet sanded. And I finished back here. I'm just gonna use can primer. Back here. Wet sanded that. And first coat over here on them. I'm about to prime this up. If y'all can see, I can see it already. Little stuff I gotta fix. Little stuff. Let me get to it. Alright, YouTube, cleaned up the back bumpers too. Painted them. I'm deleting all the chrome. Anyway, wait on that to dry. Running boards on this side, ain't no light over here. Primed up the back. It's still wet. Filled in a couple little spots. Buddy. Damn, something dropped on this shit. Yeah. Ain't got these running boards down. Shit done dropped on my shit though. But clean that up. Spray back over it. Call it a wrap on that. Get back to it tomorrow.